morning. So I'm back with another video, and I noticed my curls are dry, so I'm gonna bring them back to life. Stay tuned. So what I'm actually using today, I'm actually using Wild Rose like I always use, and I need some more Cantu moisturizer, and I also have rubber bands. So right here, I'm just sectioning my hair off just so it's better when I put the product in there, and I can get it more in my hair than just putting it all in my hair at one time.
So also guys, I'm using water just to keep it wet before I put product in it. I gotta remember to get a spray bottle next time I go to the beauty supply. I always forget it. Actually, last time I went to the beauty supply, I was in Minnesota and my hair went in my mom's house, so that's why.
Okay, so I noticed the video was getting too long, so I just cut out some stuff. So now I'm at the last part of the back section, and I'm putting the water in there right now. I'm feeling them water curls though. Like, some girls just put water in their hair and they just go about their day. I don't think I'm at that stage yet, should I say. But I just put the Wild Grow in there. I don't know why I'm putting this Wild Grow in there, because my hair is so freaking thick. But I don't know, I just need oils. So can y'all comment oils down below? Please comment oils down below. I need to stay away from the Cantu oils also, because I notice it really dries out my hair. You guys will see at the end of the video. Okay, what's up guys? So I'm back with the last part section of my hair, and I'm just putting the curl reformation in there. And I'm about to twist it up like I did on this side and the back.
I might look cocky at it doing this video. It's just because my phone is literally like in my face, so I have to look around my phone. I have this Go case on my phone, so it's sticking on the mirror. So, and I'm trying to look around my phone. And my phone is literally like right here, you know? It's just like my shit don't be tight. Everybody else should be looking so tight. But whatever, I don't know.
Okay guys, so I'm back after twisting up my hair. So if you guys have a shower cap, even if you don't have a shower cap, go to
Get away before the shower cap. I would say plastic bags, okay? So, you know, head around your hair such as a scarf. Don't break the ponytail holder, please. Don't pull the ponytail holder too tight, please. Because you already got a ponytail holder in no time. Let that sit for about 20, 30, 40 minutes or whatever. And I'm going to come back. Back with the video. Another video. Okay, so before I take this off my head and start taking down my two strand twist, I do want to let you guys know that I don't be knowing like the end results of my twist out and stuff, and when I put in my product. So if it don't turn out how you thought it was or whatever, turn in my hair. So I'm not gonna promise that this is how it's supposed to look, or even if I put enough product in my hair. You know, I'm just doing these videos just because, you know, just for the fun of it, really. Like, yeah. I'm gonna get like one of those blow dryer heads for the curls. I definitely need to invest in that for sure. But I guess the other stuff I don't look. I don't know, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, so like I said before, I'm gonna invest in one of those blow dryer heads. Just because I feel like it's still wet. And I ain't even put that much water in it. But I don't know, I think it's cute. This is the first time it's ever came out. Like, I'm excited, y'all. I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, I know this dry spot. It's okay. It's okay. Because I'm working at it.
So I remember I told y'all that I was going to stop answering my phone when I recorded. I'm sorry, but when they in the mall, you answer the phone. Okay.
Anyway, so this is my curls, y'all. It's dry. I mean, it's still a little wet, but I'm going to go to my lights. One side of my hair is thicker than the other side. And y'all guess which side it is. Okay? Anyways, so this is my curls. Oh my god, y'all. So my honest opinion, this is the best it turned out of all these times I've done my hair. Like, for real. Like, this is how it looks when I get my braids, my French braids in my hair with the weave. And I take it out and I let my curls just, you know, fling. This is the result. This is what I'm talking about. I'm getting there, y'all. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. It's still a little damp, though. But, oh my goodness.
It's so cute.
So, yeah. I'm going to turn around and let y'all see it. It's the side. The left side, rather. The back. And my back ain't flat. Like, oh my god, hold on. So, I don't know if it's flat. Y'all gotta tell me it don't feel flat like it normally does. And I'll be like, oh, it's so flat. It doesn't feel flat. I have no bad comments about this two-strand twist out today. That's the right side. And it's the front. Y'all already know. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thumbs up if y'all like this video. Comment down below. And let me know what y'all think about how my curls turned out. I think they turned out amazing. You know, just, you gotta work hard for your naturalness to come out. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know, I'm digging it today. I can actually, like, go to bed like this, you know, throw my body on, boom, go to bed, you know, without twisting it again, whatever. But, yeah, if y'all like it, y'all know what to do. Let me know what y'all think about the turnouts, you know? Alright. It's your girl, Bree Dubz, and I'm out. Oh, yeah, one more thing before I do leave you guys. I just want y'all to know I love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in to my channel. Hopefully I get some more subscribers. Please share. And tell people to subscribe to the channel.